Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my risk taker Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I have already made 151 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to get into the sequence of this row. Make 2 chains, to skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. So chain 2 to skip 2 chains, into the next chain, single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, into the next one, single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, into the next one, single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, into the next one, single crochet. So you can see how this sequence and this row is looking so far. You're going to repeat this sequence by making 2 chains to skip 2 chains and then make a single crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet. We're going to be skipping the first stitch. We're going to be working into these chain spaces and skipping stitches along the way until we get to the last stitch of this row. So we're going to be getting into our sequence. Skip this first stitch. Into this next chain space, make 2 double crochet. Now skip this next stitch. Into this next chain space, make 2 double crochet. And that is our sequence. Skip the next stitch. Into this next chain space, make 2 double crochet. Skip this next stitch. Into this next chain space, 2 double crochet. Skip this next stitch. Into this next chain space, 2 double crochet. So you can see how this sequence is looking so far. You're going to be skipping any stitch. Into the next chain space, you're going to be making 2 double crochet. You're going to repeat this until you reach the last stitch of this row. So once you get to the end of your row, you only have 1 stitch left. Work 1 double crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we made these single crochets and these chain spaces. We're just going to be making them in between stitches instead of into chains like we did on that row. So we're going to get into our sequence, make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches. In between these stitches, in this space right here, you're going to make a single crochet. And that is our sequence. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, single crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, single crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, single crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, make a single crochet. So you can now see how that sequence is looking. You're going to repeat this sequence by making 2 chains to skip 2 stitches, and then into this space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the last stitch in this row. So once you make it to the end of your row, you're going to use these 2 chains to skip these last 2 stitches. You're going to have some chains over here. These chains counted as a double crochet, so it's going to technically be our last stitch. So you're going to skip these two. Into the top of these last chains, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet. So row 4 is going to be similar to row 2, where we made these double crochets into the chain spaces. It's just going to be with a little bit of a twist. We're going to be skipping over any previous single crochets. So let's get into our sequence. Skip the first stitch into the next chain space. You're going to be working double crochets over the chain space into the tops of these previous double crochet below. So 1 into each. You're still making 2. It's just going to be 1 double crochet into each of these double crochet 2 rows down. So it's going to be into this double crochet right here and this one right here over that chain space. And that is it. That is going to be our sequence. Skip this next single crochet into these 2 double crochet right here. Make 1 double crochet into each. Skip the next single crochet into these 2 double crochet right here. Make 1 double crochet into each. Skip the next single crochet into each of these next 2 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into each of them. So you can now see how this sequence and row is looking. You're going to repeat this sequence by skipping any single crochet into each of these next double crochet from 2 rows down. You're going to work a double crochet into each of them until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 double crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. Let's get into my example blanket. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 130 rows total for a throw-sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my risk taker Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.